It took me 5 months to make my first sale on Pinterest. Please don't make the same mistake I made when starting out Pinterest affiliate marketing. You see, Pinterest is not just a social media platform for discovering ideas or pinning your favorite recipes. With over 500 million monthly active users, it's surely a good mine for affiliate marketers, which means there's a massive audience for your affiliate link. And the best part is you don't even need a website and you can get started right after watching this video, even with zero experience. All you simply need is an internet connection and a mobile device. In this video, I'm going to teach you how Pinterest affiliate marketing works, how to set up your Pinterest business account, finding profitable niches, creating irresistible pins, and finally driving traffic and boosting your conversions. So for those who don't know how Pinterest affiliate marketing works, Pinterest is mainly a visual search engine, which means people come over to Pinterest to find inspiration and solutions to their problem. As an affiliate marketer, all you simply have to do is to create visually engaging pins that links people directly to your affiliate link. And whenever someone clicks on your pin and they make a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. So this is how Pinterest affiliate marketing works. And here is the kicker. Pinterest has an amazing ability to give you enormous traffic to your affiliate link, and it's way easier to get discovered on Pinterest than other mainstream platforms like Instagram and Facebook. For Pinterest, you don't even need a large following to start making money with affiliate marketing on Pinterest. All you need is the right strategy. And I'm going to cover everything in this video. And this is why you can see accounts with less than 50 followers and they are still pulling hundreds of thousands of free traffic to their affiliate link every single month. So as you can see right on your screen, here is an example of an account I mentioned. As you can see here, this account has less than 50 followers. As a matter of fact, it has 33 followers, and you can see this account pulls almost 500,000 views every single month on their profile. And you can see here, they have their link pinned to their profile. And if I click on this link, as you can see, it's going to bring us to this page. And I can assure you, this is a ClickBank product. Okay, you can see this product goes for $39. And if you scroll down here, just like I said, this is a ClickBank product. Okay, so you can see they are using free traffic from Pinterest to get sales to this affiliate product. Pinterest remains one of the best traffic source for any beginners to get instant results with affiliate marketing. All you simply need to do is to make sure to set up everything correctly, which I'm going to walk you through in today's video. So now that we know how Pinterest affiliate marketing works, the next thing you want to do is to set up a Pinterest business account. And so you know, it's absolutely free to create one, and this gives you access to analytics and advertising tools. Now, if you don't have a Pinterest account already, it's very easy to create one. Just head over to pinterest.com and you'll be able to create an account. So like I said earlier, you want to go over to pinterest.com, which is then going to bring you to this page. And all you need to do from here is to click on business. So once you do that, as you can see here, grow your business on Pinterest. And all you need to do from here is to click on sign up. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you simply just have to enter your basic information like your email, password, date of birth, and you'll be able to create a business Pinterest account right away. So once you're done creating your account, you want to make sure to optimize your account. And what I mean by this is to add a profile photo that resonates with your niche. Okay, so this account here is for fashion niche. As you can see here, you want to make sure to include a bio or a description that resonates with the niche. Okay, and now finally you want to go to the edit section, and this is where you want to add the link to the affiliate product you are promoting. Okay, it's very important to include the link right here. So moving on to the next part of the video, if you don't know already, Pinterest is a platform that mainly appeals to women. So you want to make sure to target niches that appeal to women, such as home decor, fashion, food recipe, beauty, fitness, and even finance. And so you know, there are numerous affiliate programs out there where you can find such products that you can promote to people in these niches. Some popular affiliate programs on Pinterest includes Amazon Associate, where you get to promote any product from Amazon website and you get commission whenever you make a sale. Another platform you can use is shareasale.com. You can also use impact.com, and finally you can use clickbank.com as well. So all you simply need to do is to sign up to any of these affiliate programs and you'll be able to grab products in whatever niche you want to go into and start promoting those products on Pinterest. The quality of your pins can make or break your overall pin performance, which in turn has a direct effect on the number of traffic you generate and the number of clicks you get to your affiliate link. So you must ensure your pins stand out. You don't need to have a fancy design tool to make great pins. You can use a free tool like canva.com, which has amazing templates that you can customize in less than 2 minutes to create amazing pins. So the secret to success on Pinterest lies in creating eye-catchy pins that makes people want to click on the pin, and that way they're going to find our affiliate link, and once they click it and make a purchase, we make money. So all you simply need to do is to come over to canva.com, and like I said earlier, it's a free design tool that you can use to create amazing pins. All you just need to do from here is to click on create a design. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and all you simply need to do is to type in Pinterest pin in the search section. So once you do that, you want to make sure to come over here and click on Pinterest pin. And as you can see, if you go over to the left-hand section of the page, you're going to see various templates provided to you by Canva, which you can simply just customize this template to suit whatever niche you're promoting, and you can edit and customize these templates in less than 2 minutes. But you have to keep in mind some of the templates are paid, but many of them are absolutely free, which you can use to get started without having to subscribe to any of the paid plans. And finally, you want to make sure the pin has a clear call to action like buy now or learn more button, which encourages people to click on the pin. So here is an example of a pin I created for the fitness supplement niche. As you can see here, I added some benefits of this supplement, and as you can see, this is an image of that product right here. And now as you can see here, there is a clear call to action, and people are going to see they can learn more about this product right here. Okay, and now once you create an amazing pin like this, all you simply need to do is to click on the share button, and you can simply click on the download button here, and you can either download this as an MP4 or you can download this as PNG. So this is up to you. So as you can see here is the Amazon product I created a pin for on Canva. Okay, so like I said earlier, you want to make sure to sign up to any affiliate network of your choice, and that way you'll be able to get an affiliate link to whatever product you are promoting. So let's assume we are promoting this product right here. We want to copy this link and log into our Amazon account, and we'll be able to get our affiliate link. So once you grab your affiliate link, remember in the beginning of the video, I said you don't need a website for this. All you simply need to do is to use any URL shortener of your choice, like bit.ly.com, to shorten your affiliate link. So all you need to do is to paste in the affiliate link in this box, and you'll be able to get a shortened link, which you'll be using to promote the affiliate product. So once you grab your shortened link, you want to first of all then come over to your profile, and you want to go to where it says website, and you want to make sure to paste in your affiliate link right here, and you want to click on save. Once you have the link added to your profile, the final thing you want to do is to then come over to the create section, and this is where you want to then upload the pin you created on Canva. And this is where you can really optimize your content for search and get more traffic and even more sales. So you want to make sure to include relevant keywords in your description, things that people are actually searching for. Keep in mind, I mentioned earlier, Pinterest is a visual search engine. So people come over here to also search for various keywords as well. So for instance, if you are promoting a fitness supplement product, you want to make sure to include keywords like best fitness supplement or affordable fitness product. So doing this could help your pin get discovered, and that means more traffic for you. And also you want to include relevant hashtags, and finally your affiliate link in the post as well. So once you upload the pin, like I mentioned earlier, you want to make sure your title and description are well optimized for your niche, just like I've done right here. And here you want to make sure to include your link. And now you want to also create a board by clicking on this create a board button. And if you do that, you'll be able to create a board for that niche. And finally, you want to include relevant hashtag as well, just like I've done right here. Okay. And now once you're done, all you simply need to do here is to click on publish. So I highly recommend to take action and post at least 2 pins every single day. And I can assure you, you're going to get traffic, and some of your pins will definitely pick up and go viral. And a bonus trick, once you find a pin that is performing well, you can simply spend some money on Pinterest ad. As you can see right here, if you spend $10, you're going to get free $60 back in free credits, which you can use to even scale your pins and get more traffic and more affiliate sales. So now that you know how to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, I highly recommend to check out this video on your screen right now. It's going to show you how to scale your earnings with Google Ads.